Hi guys, how to grow your YouTube channel in 2022. Today I am going to show you how to grow your YouTube channel in 2022. This is the same type step by step the process that I used to grow my channel, then subscriber, and in this guide you are going to learn extrally how to get more views in subscriber. Let's dive right in. There are the 7 steps in the growing the YouTube channel. Step first, find untapped video keyword. I mean keyword researching. Now let's go step 1. Then I come to YouTube video keyword research. Keyword research is most important thing. The fact of the choosing the right keyword then make the break and performance of your video. For example, from my channel. From my channel. For example, one video of my channel rank 1 in YouTube for YouTube viewers and largely rank than the one regular video generate over the views every month. This is the keyword searching. Then click with you here to the find keyword and YouTube video. First create a list seed keyword. C keyword. C keyword is a term of the describe the super broad topic. For example, if you were in digital marketing space in the said the keyword, my keyword is not good but approximate the good. For example, where the digital marketing space and the C keyword things, social media, LinkedIn, Facebook page, and contacts marketing. See how to the word. Keyword research planner. You are going to optimize the video and around this term there are the two comprehensive. But the list of the C keyword and the super helpful and the stack step. Next step is the type of the said keyword in the keyword YouTube search. Now the time to turn the said keyword into the dozen long tail keyword. How? YouTube suggest. This is the word just like Google. Top seed keyword into the YouTube and check out the keyword and the YouTube search. Get lost of the search. My second step is YouTube optimization for the watch time. Keep people on the watch time. After all, the more important people spend on the time, more spend on the time, more money and make from ads, and the YouTube the algorithm and the pot watch time never had the watch time. There is a simple explanation. Let weather reports look like the YouTube analytics as a mix of YouTube lower the video rank up and app watch time, then the YouTube and going on the record and saying it. Create a long videos. What I was saying the horn experience back in the day, I am trending the publish to the video like. Sorry, my internet speed is low because of rainy day. Back in the day, my video of introduction of the hard lot of backgrounds, thumbnails, keyword searching. That's my see difference in again the intro and previous. Then third step, YouTube video optimize your YouTube videos. You are affordable and already you know the YouTube SEO important. Keyword optimization and the your video title. Here the idea. Keyword optimization video and the title are the important than used to be. The YouTube random factors study and the found weak relationship between the keyword relation and title and link. Fourth one is fourth step is used to thumbnail that outstand. YouTube report the 90% the best performance video of the YouTube have the YouTube customer thumbnails 90% better performance. How to do create eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. How are the two quick tips that they're working on the real right now? Firstly, you lost the contracts, your colors, thumbnails. This is my thumbnail, bright color, outstanding the ads and the tin border. Fifth step is create and promote the optimized playlist. Playlist understand to go to more videos and subscribers. The session time of the amount of time and spend YouTube after they're watching on the videos. Sixth step, promote the video in your audience. You have already know to YouTube and the world the second large second largest search engine, but they do not means that they upload the branch optimization video and accept just like the below contacts and whatever. 7. Turn the views and subscriber. First step, the outline the fair should the help to go the more views, but views are only one part of the growing your YouTube channel. Other part getting more subscribers. One of the best way to get more subscriber in add subscriber button and ending screen.